10 days after floods wreaked havoc in Jammu and Kashmir, the state is slowly limping back to normalcy. State machinery, though, still struggling to get back on its feet.
The Army, the Air Force, the NDRF and NGOs are handling relief operations, but as flood waters recede, now the fear of an epidemic is looming large.
There's one indicator of the utter failure of the Umar Abdullah government during the J&K floods is this garbage dump. Now, we're not talking of a site where garbage is dumped, but this is a roadside area here in the Rawalpura locality. And if I'll ask my cameraman Sajad to just pan around, he'll show you the amount of garbage that has been thrown around in this area. And let me also tell you that this is one of the few areas where the floods did not reach. This area was safe, and in spite of that, you have a state government which is in complete slumber. It's been almost 9 days, and yet there is no sign of governance. The state government is totally invisible now. This is one such garbage dump, and we have such dumps. In fact, garbage littered all along the south Srinagar city, and in fact, this is the situation in almost every nook and corner of Srinagar. Of course, we have the areas which are completely flooded. There are thousands of dead animals who are there. There are their carcasses that are floating in water, and there is a serious threat of a big epidemic, be it cholera, hepatitis, and doctors are already warning. But the state government, that's not enough to wake up the state government, which in fact, continues to be in complete slumber. Now, this garbage here on the old airport road has now extended its reach all the way to around 200 to 300 meters. No sign of government, and in fact the municipality, which of course as of now was trying to give the reason of floods for its failure, but right now this area, as you can see, does not have floods, but in spite of that there is garbage that is littered. So this is a prime example of the failure of the state government.
Definitely, there's a fear of epidemic in all sections, in all places, because we see one is the heap of garbage which has accumulated at different sites. Another is so many animals have died and they are still lying on the roadsides, in the houses, in the gardens. So unless and until an effective measure is made to dispose of this garbage as well as these carcasses, we are definitely heading for a epidemic, which will be cholera epidemic or hepatitis-related epidemic, any epidemic which is caused by bloodborne diseases, these waterborne diseases. So I request to the authorities, whosoever they are, they should make up their machinery effective and they should do something for this.
This is absolutely the right moment. We need vaccines for cholera, we need vaccines for hepatitis A, we need vaccines for typhoid. Apart from the other vaccines, that would be the only preventive measure we can take. Apart from the municipal corporation taking care of its duties, I think it's high time they should do something about the waste. They should do something about the garbage. It's stinking everywhere. We are trying to help in our own small way, whatever we can, but I think authorities need to get up from this slumber.